Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Or our latest vlog. May bago tayong phone. Malalaman natin subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, shares, comments, reviews at abuti ng 500. I-support natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog, 308, episode 308, entitled, A New Phone! Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Watch this muna ang ating bagong phone. Okay, my new phone na. After 5 years and 5 days, the Oppo A5s user is now rest in peace na ako. From January 30, 2020 to February 4, last Tuesday, 2025. I have a new phone is here. Ito ay tada, Oppo A3. Hindi na A5s. Ano to? Na-release ito last year, September 2022. Siyempre, Oppo A3. Ang Oppo A3 ay nagbili sa stores. Ang Oppo A3 ay CPH2669. Ang kulay na napiliin is yung nabili kay Tita Mau, Starring Purple or Starring Violet. Merong 6 gig na RAM at 128 na ROM. Yes, 128 gig na ROM. Ito nakita sa sa sticker, Oppo CPH2669 mobile phone, Starry P, perfect to drive, Starry Purple, 2024, 8/9. Ayan. Made in China, designed by Oppo. Ayan. Yun na. Tapos na. Ang Oppo A3, na may over 4 years, wow! Oh, 4 years, durable charger to durable battery plus 45 watts flash charge, military grade shock resistance, Snapdragon 6S 4G Gen 1 mobile platform at splash touch with IP54. Ayan. May nakitang naman ng Oppo A3 kasi nasa phone na yan. Ang tagal. Ito yan ang phone, tapos yung phone na tapos may pre-jelly case. Pre-case. Tapos, meron tayong quick guy at safety guy. Tapos, panundot. Panundot yun eh. Ano mo yung panundot? Yung may ilalagay ng SIM card at SD card. At syempre, meron tayong adapter, charger, at USB Type-C. Sorry. USB Type-C, hindi na micro USB. Sorry The Oppo A3 is available yung colors. Yan. Aside from purple and black and white. Ang Oppo A3 ay price ay 8,999 pesos. Pati yung available Oppo A3. Oppo A3 Pro at Oppo A3X. Maganda for music, for social media posts, at syempre, sa gaming. Yung mga PUBG, yung mga Mobile Legends. Yan. Subukan na at limited budgeting for all. Sa Oppo A3. Available ba na? Wow! Sorry. Available na po sa lahat ng Oppo stores nationwide. For me is a little bit of okay naman yung graphics at yung sa new phone na bagong brand new phone from Oppo. Kaya, I got 5 out of 5. Lagi na lang 5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10. Kaya, pagsulit for online class dito sa Oppo. Kaya, thank you, Oppo. Sana mag-enjoy sa ating latest vlog. See you on Sunday for another vlog all about the late grade Barbie shoe. Yan. Yan for our latest vlogs. Salamat. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.